If you have a Roku remote, you can cover it with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. I love Roku, and I love Roku remotes. This actually goes to the Hisense TV that I just got, and it's a plastic remote. You know, there's nothing fantastic about it. You drop it, clanks, makes a lot of noise, potentially breaks. Sometimes the back cover pops open, the batteries pop out, that kind of thing. And so you want to cover it kind of to soften that clank when it falls to the ground or the table, just to give it some protection. But on top of that, I picked up this one, and you can see it's in blue, because it has a special feature. Now, you do have to make sure that you get the right type of cover for the remote. This one is the enhanced remote. You can really look at the buttons here. Some of these buttons have 4 buttons down the front and the middle. Some have them in a square like this. Some don't have any. Some are a little more rounded, but this is how you put this sucker in. It's got the molded volume rocker right here on the side, so double check. It's got a nice kind of honeycomb pattern, very grippy. A little bit of traction. You can see there's a little indentation there so you can get your finger on it. And then the IR blaster is free to do what it needs to do. Now, like I said, if you drop it, it gives it a little protection. But as I said, this one has a really special feature. It glows in the dark. You expose this sucker to light and it will continue to glow for a while. Kind of dims after some time. But why that's important is, for me, you know, if you have a dark room, a black remote can disappear. Having a colored cover like this can help make it more visible. And if it glows even just a little bit, it can be much more helpful to find it at night, maybe watching a movie, you're about to go to sleep. So this little cover here provides protection as well as makes it more convenient to find. Hey, if you want to pick it up, I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter from Panda, out.